Hey you guys, what's up? So I'm so excited. Your girl is a part of the Club Pink. Let's jump into it. So Benefit was kind enough to send me this huge box of goodies I want to share with you guys, as well as create this look using some of the products that they sent. So inside this box, they sent over a lot. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. All right, so the first products I'm going to share with you guys, they sent over an array of brow products. So they sent over the Pomade Brow Pomade, the Give Me Brow Plus. They sent over a Precisely My Brow Pencil, a 24-hour brow setter, a brow micro-filling pen, a goof-proof brow pencil, and a Brow Zings Pro Palette. They sent over some of their Benettints. These are lip and cheek tints. This is the Play Tint, which is a pink lemonade tinted lip and cheek stain. I have this on my lips today. They sent over their Love Tint, which is a red fiery tinted lip and cheek stain. And then they sent two of their original Benettints. They sent over the Professional Primer as well as the Professional Super Setter and four of their amazing mascaras. They sent over the They're Real Magnet Mascara, the Roller Lash, the original They're Real, and the Bad Gal Bang Mascara. My hair is literally losing its curl as we speak. It is so humid and hot today, you guys. If you want to see how I got the eye look portion of this look, head on over to my Instagram and watch the reels. If you'd like to see me trying out some of these products in today's look, then just stay tuned. All right, so I already have my eyeshadow on, and now we're gonna go ahead and do the face. I'm starting out with the Professional Primer. This is the perfect primer if you are trying to eliminate like bigger pores, which I definitely have. All right, so I've applied my foundation. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do some concealer. This is the Benefit Boiling Concealer. This did not come in the box, but since this is a Benefit video, I thought it was only right to use their concealer. Okay, you guys, so I totally forgot about the Benetint and went ahead and set my whole face with powder, and now I can't really put liquid over powder. So what we're gonna do instead is I'm gonna use the Benefit Georgia Peach Blush that I already have handy. This did not come in the box, and we're just gonna use this, and then we'll go back in with the Benetint and use that on our lips. I am also going to be using the Benefit Cookie Highlight, as well as the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara, give my eyelashes a nice coat, and then we will finish off these eyes and we'll go to the brows. All right, so for my brows, I'm gonna be using the Brow Zings Pro Palette. You guys, I've been using this religiously. It's so good. It comes with brow powders, brow waxes, and little tools inside to help you achieve that fleeky brow, girl. I probably will also be using the brow pomade just to get a more defined brow. And we'll probably clean that up with the concealer and then add some of the 24-hour brow setter on top. All right, so now we're gonna use the Professional Super Setter. This is a long-lasting makeup setting spray. And this mixed with the Professional Primer is going to eliminate your pores. So let's go ahead and spray this all over the face and set that makeup. This also says that it is waterproof, smudge-proof, fade-proof, and that it locks on makeup for 16 hours, instantly blurs pores, feels weightless, and absorbs instantly. So yeah, let's try this out. All right, so now let's move on to the lips. And I think for the lips, I'm gonna use the Play Tint, which is a pink lemonade tinted lip and cheek stain. And it looks a little something like this.
Ooh, me. Ooh, me. Ooh, me, mommy. Ooh, me, mommy. You want some? Yeah. You do? Yeah.
Whoa, raisin face. You want some?
More.
All right, so I'm just gonna apply this straight to the lips. And this is gonna give them a cute pink tint. And this is the final look using the products I received from Benefit Cosmetics. I just want to say a big thank you to Benefit for sending me these products to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.